This is JumpTask review. In this video, I'll be taking you through how to make money and get free JumpTask token. That is, you'll be able to get this JMPT token for free just by doing simple microtask jobs. This platform has multiple ways to earn and make money in dollars. This platform will help you to turn your spare time into earning free cryptos in JMPT tokens. You can see this is my JumpToken profile page. I currently have almost 30 JMPT token, which is over $30. As at the time of this video, the current price of JMPT token is $1 plus. Ensure you watch this video to the end. I will take you through how to transfer this money to your bank account in your country. It is so easy. The good news is that you can get this token for free, and I'll be showing you how I did that. Please do me one big favor. Please like this video. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for doing that for me. This platform has paid out over $2 million to its members. They currently have a total registered users of over 6 million worldwide. How do you make and earn money in dollars on this platform? All you need to do is just to do simple tasks. You can share your links, watch videos, and play games to earn on this platform. You'll be able to work and make money from anywhere in the world. The first thing you need to do right now is to sign up. Ensure you use the link which is below the description of this video to earn a huge bonus. When you use this link, you will get to this page, and this is my bonus code that will make a difference on every task you do on this platform. When you use this code, every task you do on this platform will earn you some percentage bonus. Then as soon as you finish signing up, you will start getting tasks that will earn you money. Let me show you. There are multiple tasks you can do right now on this platform. The first one you need to consider is these offers. That is, you'll be able to earn and make money by doing various microtask jobs. Let me show you. The first one you can see, you'll be able to get 10% lifetime bonus if you perform the task that is required. This is another one. You're able to buy a gift card on this platform and you get this money. You can see what you are going to get in free tokens just by doing minor tasks. This is another one. You'll be able to collect this point, this worth over $1 just by signing up with this their partner. This is actually Honeygain. This is my Honeygain platform. I currently have over $10, and you can easily get paid just by connecting your Honeygain to JumpTask. And you can see I already cashed out over $51 on this platform. You will see my link which is below the description of this video. If you use that link, Honeygain will give you instant gift and you start making money with your free internet. Just download and log in and do nothing, and you'll be making money in dollars just like this. Ensure you sign up before you come here. Another way to make money on this platform is by investing your earnings. That is, you'll be able to stake your earnings and they will give you percentage for doing that. Then by taking surveys, you can make a lot of money in dollars taking surveys on this platform. Another great way to start making money on this platform is by referring your friends and family members. You come to this place here, you come to this place, you click referral. You can see you can refer your friends and family members. Every friends that you refer with your code will earn you 10% of their earnings. This is not a deduction from their earnings. This is a gift that this platform will give you. You can see when you click your referral, you scroll down, you'll be able to see your referral code and you copy it. Then with the link, you send it to your friends and family members. And when they sign up, you'll be able to earn an extra bonus of 10% for every task your referral completes. A gift from this platform. All you need to do is to pick your code and share this on every of your social media platforms. Do me a big favor. Please like this video. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for doing that for me. But how do you get paid on this platform? As soon as you complete those tasks, you start accumulating your earnings here. And when you are ready to cash out, all you need to do is to click here. This is your email, and look at it. Wallet is missing. This is where you add your wallet. You can see the amount I've earned, and you can see the equivalent amount in dollars. You need to decide the type of wallet you will use. I recommend you use MetaMask wallet. You come to this place, you click add, you click MetaMask, you add it here. For you to see how I connected my MetaMask wallet and cash out, the link of the video will come out now. Watch that video. For you to see how I cash out my JMPT token on this platform and transfer the token, convert it to cash, watch this video. The link of the video will come out now. Watch that video. It's a real demo, step by step of how to do it. Thank you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, drop your comment, and I promise to get back to you. The next video is all about how to get more free money and do tasks online, no work and no investment. And the second video, you'll be able to get free money in form of gift cards online. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.